Hi all, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I want to share my experience which I had in my 14th week. Currently I am in the 14th week of Brocamp. In this week I will introduce myself. I am Navin Keshijo and I am a data science Indian and prototype here at Kochi Hub. So in the 14th week of data science, I had to study DSA second part. So in my previous week, in the 13th week, it was the first part of DSA, and in the 14th week, it is the second part. And in the second part, or in the 14th week, I had to learn data structures like hash tables, hash sets, and hash maps. Then I had to cover study about stack and queue, and then I studied about data structures like trees, binary search trees. I also got to know about AVL trees, which are self-balancing binary search trees, and then I learned about graph, which is another data structure. So, yeah, in this week I was primarily studying about all these data structures and the related operations with that. I got to know about all kinds of those technical stuff and realized the significance of studying structures and algorithms as a data scientist. Even my mentors told me that if I want to excel in developing my skill in doing something great, I want to work hard, do the thing which most people neglect to do or tend to avoid, which is putting the work down, refining my logic, and using the right data structures for the right set of problems. And he told me that solving DSA problems is a kind of solving a Rubik's Cube puzzle. It's a kind of puzzle, and it is not the intelligence which comes up or which plays a crucial role while solving DSA problems, but it is the patterns, our ability to find patterns, and our ability to spot these patterns or spot which data structure should be used in this problem develops. This ability to spot the pattern develops as we practice more and more problems. That this is the message or the insight which my mentor gave me. And I realized that it was such a crucial, important message. I realized its power. It was such a true thing. If I want to truly understand a data structure and its significance, I need to practice solving a lot of problems related to that. And then, if I do the work, I will be able to spot the patterns with just by reading that problem, understanding it. When I read a new problem, I will get to know, oh, yeah, this is the problem I need to solve. And to solve this problem, what are the situations or constraints that I am given with? And within these constraints, which is that data structure which is most suitable to solve this problem in the most efficient way with the resources I am provided with. So I realized that data structures allow us to handle the problems in the most efficient way rather than just relying on the brute force approach. Yeah, the brute force approach works. It helps us to solve the problem. It will help us to get it solved, but it comes with the price of mediocrity. It will cost us a lot of resources, a lot of money. It will get us the tasks done, but it won't be in the best efficient way. But if we do it in the most efficient way, we will be able to save a lot of resources, a lot of time, and a lot of money. So, the ability to implement efficient code to deliver great value to people for very few resources is such a great thing. So DSA, that's the main reason why DSA plays a crucial role, or why tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Netflix, Uber, And many tech companies like that pay heavy importance to DSA while interviewing for the candidates. I realized it. Now I realized its importance. And even my mentor told me that there are many students who have great data science skills, but they lack the DSA skills. They lack the ability to solve problems using efficient data structures and algorithms. Yeah, it is painful in the beginning. It's painful to learn these data structures and algorithms and to implement it. Yeah, initially we will have to practice a ton of times. We will have to do the work which no one wants really to do. We need to do the practice. We need to do it repeatedly, again and again until we become bored of it. That's the price which we need to pay. And if you are ready to pay that price, then we will get what we want, which is mastery. We need to pay that price. Just be sure that you or I have practiced it until I become bored of it. I should feel boredom from practicing it. That's when I really master it. So these are the technical steps I got to know and understood in this week. And to say about the developments in other aspects of this week. In this week, I got the opportunity to talk in front of a large number of people, and I was a little nervous. I was nervous on what others would think of me if I made a mistake. I was very I was paying attention to what others would think of me if I made a mistake. I realized that this thought actually caused the degradation of my ability to perform. Actually, I don't need to care what others think if I make a mistake because I came here to prototype to make maximum number of mistakes. I came here to make greatest number of mistakes than anyone else so that I can learn the most number of things than anyone else. Because the one who makes the most mistakes learns the most, gets the lessons the most. So anyway, I came here, and it doesn't cost me a penny to make mistake here. And then, if that's an advantage, then why not use it? Because I will be able to learn a lot of things, a ton of things by making mistakes. So I realized that I just need to make mistakes. I just need to consistently make mistakes, which I haven't ever done. I'm not talking about repeatedly making mistakes that I have already done. If I have made a mistake, learn from it and improve it. What I mean by saying make more mistakes is by daring to do the things which I haven't ever done and realize the consequences of it and learn from it so that I can take better decisions and act accordingly for a better output, for a better future. This is what I mean. So yeah, these are the growth or kind of lessons and insights which I got to understand in this week. And I'm so thankful for all the people who around me who helped me realizing these truths and helping me to grow accordingly. Yeah. I'm so grateful to all people here in the hub who actually helped me to learn these insights and wisdom and experience it. Yeah. So see you in next week. See you soon.